The four-spindle CNC drilling and tapping machine is customized by a Mexican customer. The effective processing field of this machine is x-axis 2 meters, y-axis 400 mm, and z-axis 300 mm. The machine is equipped with 4 sets of precision servo-mechanical spindles, which can perform drilling and tapping operations either simultaneously or individually. It adopts a CNC multi-channel numerical control system to control the 4 sets of servo-mechanical spindles respectively. It can flexibly utilize each axis for processing according to the product requirements, achieving high-efficiency production with 4 workpieces completed in one go. The machine is equipped with a multi-touch intelligent and collision device, ensuring that there is no manual interference when 2 sets of double spindles are processing at the same time. Each transmission shaft of the machine are controlled by absolute servo motors, featuring high position accuracy, faster and more stable performance. These screw guide wheels are from Taiwan heavy brand, offering strong stability. The machine is equipped with an automatic lubrication system that provides planned and quantitative lubrication, eliminating the need for manual maintenance. Before the machine leaves the factory, it is tested for accuracy and compensating it by a USA API laser in the monitor to ensure that the full machine accuracy keeps within 0.02 mm. For more model introduction, follow my video account to learn more.